matter who. Ayan. Wow.
Wow!
Acceptance.
Ma-appreciate as fans, ma-appreciate natin itong last 5 races. Whoever comes out.
Whoever wins nga, maganda yung
Yes.
story.
Championship I've been wishing for.
Binanifest mo yan.
Correct. Oo. Gusto mo.
This is why I'm an
Pinag-away-away mo pa kami.
This is
Grandstand gossip. From the grandstand to the group chat.
Rumor has it I'm the one you're leaving her for.
Rumor has it.
Present ako!
Welcome back.
Welcome back! Episode 6!
There you go.
Oh my God! Pinaka-weird.
Episode 6.
And welcome back, girl.
Yes! Bumiyahe tayo ulit.
Correct.
We're gonna discuss the Texas Austin Grand Prix.
Ito yung kasama sa recap natin.
Favorite ni Daniel
This is,
Ricardo.
yes. And I'm happy to report, andun pala siya.
That's good.
Kasi favorite niya talaga eh.
Andun siya.
Texas.
He opened his shop sa Austin.
Ayan yung
din.
shop niya.
Ano siya?
Yung ano niya, merch. I'm Shante. Yung brand
Yung
niya.
ano niya, very
Oo,
Aussie.
tapos meron ding parang nag-open ng live chat, WhatsApp chat. Na andun si Daniel, tapos nagda-drop siya ng voice memos, gano'n.
Aww.
Ganyan.
Well,
Nice to see you
nag-react siya.
Oo.
He's reacting to the race.
Pili ko yun yung future niya. Maybe, podcaster din.
I think they should get him. You know,
Yeah.
Sky Sports
Exactly,
F1, you should
correct.
get
Kaya
Daniel.
nga.
Oo,
Very good
I
for
think-
marketing.
I think your ratings will shoot up, definitely.
You can add humor and
And
yun, alam mo yun,
and he
fun.
has the insight of a
And the knowledge
driver.
din, correct. Yeah, yeah.
Very relevant pa din siya
Yeah.
to now.
Tsaka marami pa rin siyang
now.
fan base. eh.
I like the guy.
Yes.
I love the guy
And
actually. So,
we really miss Daniel.
True.
correct.
Kaya naman talaga nag-flourish yung Drive to Survive.
Correct.
Because
To
of
be
him.
fair, correct.
Yes. Because they anchor it. with
Siya yung dun protagonist.
Bring him back. Not
She doesn't need to be a driver.
Not
just
to drive,
bring him
no.
back on the screen.
Siya
exactly.
yung parang face ng F1.
Correct. Oo.
Ganun.
Austin GP, it's a sprint weekend.
May sprint to.
Yes. So,
And,
Ready na ba siya?
Okay. So let's get it out of the
exactly.
way. So, again, do. Max Verstappen.
There you go. And I'm wearing the Red Bull hat again.
It's an almost perfect weekend. Muntik na siyang double Grand Chelem.
Ano naman?
Everything.
Term na grand
Shellem. Kaya nga, sino may gawa? Parang,
Everything.
Naging
So,
nabading.
sprint pole,
Sprint
pole.
Ang Shellem, yung
channeling. Hindi, nagsimula yun nung si Oscar yung nakakuha ng
I know.
Grand Chelem. But
Anyway,
anyway,
next research mo, girl. Ano yung, saan ang galing yung
Grand
Shellem?
Slam. Grand Slam.
Slam, and then
So, play on the word.
Okay.
So,
Walang
si
Grand
Max,
Play
Sprint-
on the word.
the word Grand Slam.
Slash Shellem.
Shalem is slam.
Ah,
Oh my
okay.
goodness, guys.
Okay, guys. Okay, sorry. Sorry na. Okay, go.
Anyway, so Max is almost
Mahirap
perfect.
pa bigas na,
weekend.
sorry. Side comment, sorry.
So, sprint pole,
There you go. Congratulations.
sprint win.
Ilang points yun?
Sprint pole is 8 points.
There you go. Yeah.
8 points pala, no?
Eight
All along I
points.
thought na 8 points lang.
8.
Tapos 0 yung pag
Hindi, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Ah,
Lahat ng ano?
Up to top 8.
Ah, okay.
Up to top 8.
Mm.
So, 8 points, sprint win,
Mhm.
fastest lap as well. Si
For-
Max,
Does it
dur-
have a
during
point?
the sprint, no.
Okay.
This year, fastest laps doesn't have a point.
Okay.
And then, qualifying pole,
Mhm.
then race win, which is a whopping 25 points.
Yes.
So, 33 points whole yun, no? Yung
Oo.
nakuha ni Max.
Okay.
And then, ang hindi niya lang nakuha is fastest lap because it went to Kimi.
namang points pala yun, dead mo na.
Walang points.
Wala.
At all. Tinanggal nila.
Wala yung
Tinanggal nila yung ano. If there was 1 point, matinding labanan talaga.
Exactly.
Remember,
Maybe
ladies.
safety first, charot.
Remember, ladies, when we did the mid-season recap.
Yeah,
We said, oh, Max was so far behind. It's 104 points.
exactly. Yep.
And
Ngayon,
now, it's just 40 points. Can you imagine? 64 points yun. 64 point swing. Max!
Max naman kasi I have to give it to him.
Exactly.
It's Max.
So, yeah. So, and Lando is now closer to Oscar, 14 points.
From where? From
So, during the mid-season, it was just 9 points. Right?
Ah.
And then they had DNF.
Alam mo sa nag-start, it's kung saan tayo nag-debate. Doon talaga. It's the 3 points. I think that's it. Yun talaga yun eh.
Directing mo na yun.
Go down to the 3 points.
No, pati sinasabi nga nila nung nag-DNF din sila, Lando,
Oo.
diba?
Mm.
18 points yung nawala
Oo.
sa kanya. So, 3 points. So, 14 points. Anyways, it's a 3-way championship. Oh my God!
Ang saya. Saya
Can
talaga.
you imagine?
May parang feeling ako na talagang makukuha pa rin yung Max.
Oh my God, oh my God. Oh
Wow! Ba? Akala ko
No, I
Oscar all the way.
Oscar talaga ako all the way. Pero parang it's looking that way.
Yes.
Nasa 50-50 pa rin.
Pag-usapan natin yan, but after Max won the sprint,
Yeah.
he said it's a 50-50 chance.
Exactly.
I will lose.
Exactly. He's so windy.
But after the race win, iba yung pag ganun niya, paglabas niya ng kotse, he can sniff it, guys. He really can sniff it. He has the machine underneath him.
Correct. Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Machine, attitude, mindset.
Iba naman talaga kasi yung mindset niya. Well,
Correct.
he has done this 3 times.
Yeah.
4 times.
Oh, 4 times.
4 times na.
So,
Yes. So,
And- siya yung hunter eh. So,
I know. I think it's much better.
easier for
It's a
him.
much better feeling to be hunting than being
Ay,
hunted.
ay,
Right.
narinig ko yan. O, may ganyan.
Yes.
Oo.
Yes.
Iba yung drive mo, basically.
Mhm.
You have nothing to lose.
Correct. Yeah.
Right. And he wasn't
He's already
expecting
winning
this.
as it is.
Exactly.
Mm.
So, and he has the momentum on his side.
Correct.
So,
The
yes,
experience
so,
on his side,
Correct.
lalo na yung mga pressures of
Mind.
Yes.
championship. He's been here a few times na, lalo na with
Oh.
Lewis.
And what they're saying is because he's happy off track, you know, he can do whatever he wants to
Correct,
do. He can
yes.
race anywhere.
Oo.
He's happy with his personal life.
Oh,
He shows on track.
man.
So,
Another point
ikaw
of
na
view
ito,
na.
Max.
Correct. Siya na talaga. Grand Helm na. Both
Yes,
in and
yes.
out of the race.
But there were notable moments during the whole race weekend. So yung sa sprint race,
Oo.
ang pinaka talk of the town is what happened during lap 1 between the
Yeah.
McLarens and Nico Hulkenberg and Alonso.
Ano nangyari doon?
So it's basically a lap 1 racing incident. So si Max was on pole, Lando was on second, and then Oscar third.
Oo.
And Hulkenberg actually was fourth. Lando had a poor start. Si Oscar yung may grip. Ganyan. Kaso lang, nag-late break si Lando. So si Oscar, gusto niyang iwasan si Lando para hindi sila magbanggaan. So nag-switch back siya. Pag switch back niya, andun na si Hulkenberg. Kasi si Hulkenberg, andito na si Alonso. So ayun, matchbox.
Walang head checks.
Driving 101.
Kasi nakakata sila eh.
Oo.
Pero yun nga yung sinasabi ng ibang commentator, parang it's a usual move if there's only 2 of you racing against each other.
So, who's at fault now?
It's a racing incident. So the stewards, no one was penalized. So
Mhm.
marami nang nag-analyze. If you look at it, you'd think it's Oscar's fault because siya talaga yung gumanon kay Hulkenberg.
Nakita ko sa internet naman si Hulkenberg daw and something. Pero,
Si Zach Brown kasi, after that incident, in-interview siya kagad ng Sky Sports F1. Galit na galit siya. Nico Hülkenberg has no business to be in there. Parang ganun siya.
Oh my God!
Siya nakikipag-away din for a position yun.
Oo,
Pero
okay.
niretract niya the day after. Niretract
So,
niya
heightened
sa
lang
ano.
yung emotions.
Exactly.
Okay.
Parang ganun. Tapos, yun nga, and prior to this Austin GP weekend, remember kung ano yung nangyari nung sa Singapore, yung Lando almost got Oscar
Yep.
to the wall.
Mm.
And we said, just let them be. Like, wala namang
Mm.
naging consequence. Diba? Apparently, there is a consequence within the team for Lando. Parang meron
May
ng
sinabi kung ano.
merong repercussions, but they didn't say what it is.
Mm.
Pero may nabasa ako na, I think, for that particular weekend, ang repercussion is si Oscar yung may say kung sino yung mauuna sa qualifying, kung sino yung
Dito sa Austin.
Okay.
Dito sa Austin.
So, more on
parang siya yung may
advantage.
advantage, may
Ah.
preference,
Okay.
ganyan. But after itong nangyari
Mhm.
sa
Spray.
spray,
Oo.
ahead of Mexico GP, sabi ni Oscar sa press conference, clean slate na, quits na sila. Parang ganon. Kasi, partly, he's at fault kung ano yung nangyari. Kasi parehas silang wala. Dun
Wala
sa spray race.
sila.
Si Max, maximum points,
Ah,
8
ah, ah.
points, di ba?
Ah, okay.
So, yun.
Got it. Yeah.
So, yan.
So, quits na.
Quits na.
So, tapusin na rin natin yung usapan na.
Ay, nako!
Tapos kaya. Pero feeling ko, kailangan na mag-step in ng McLaren this time. Kasi,
So,
championship
step
na to
into
eh.
who?
Like,
To kay Oscar.
They need to bank on someone.
Correct. They
This is
need to
what
switch.
the question I posted to you a while last episode?
Oo.
That should they put their basket,
The
their
eggs.
eggs in Oscar's basket, or should just
Doesn't matter who. Ayan. Wow.
wow
Acceptance.
acceptance.
Parang kasi alam ko ng taan sila. Okay, so it doesn't matter who.
Andyan na si
Yeah.
si Max.
Parang strategically, kailangan na nila
They need
to pick
to-
a driver.
They need to ensure the driver's
Yeah,
championship,
yun na
whoever
lang.
it is. Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Pero kung ikaw ba sa dalawang driver na yun, would you accept if you're Lando and Zach would say, I don't even know if Zach will ever do this. Lando, I'm so sorry, but Oscar we're gonna support Oscar.
Anong difference ni Max and Lando? 19?
Oh yeah, that's a good question. Wait, hang on.
Pero I think, depende na lang din sa race, you know? Like, kung mas may
12,
kung mas may pace yung isang driver, bank on that
Six.
driver.
Hmm.
And then,
26.
26.
Uh-huh.
Plus
yun,
40 si
go on.
Oscar and Max.
And Max, yes. And kasi mas malapit pa rin kasi si Oscar tsaka si Lando
Lando.
14 points away.
Kaya nga.
So,
So,
ang
it depends pa rin yan. sa
Mahirap
race.
siyang i-call.
Ilang races pa ba, 5?
Yes.
Hindi, like, kunyari, this Mexico, diba? Kung
Ano?
sinong mas may pace, just bank on that one.
Kumbaga yung unang...
Oh, kasi who was ahead in qualifying and who got ahead
Correct,
in the
At
race.
least fair pa rin,
Then,
in a way.
just support
That's
that
a good
one. That's
point,
a good
though. Yung
point.
sa qualifying na lang yung bet, yung
Oo.
decision point, kung sino yung...
Sino yung susupport nila for that race? Yung isa, defend na siya.
Oo, correct.
Parang
Oo.
just to... Pero wala
Let them
silang
fight it out sa qualifying. Alam mo yung
Pero
gano'n?
wala silang magagawa kung si Max pa rin ang magka-qualify sa pool.
Hindi, pero kung number 2 si Lando, tapos number 4 naman si
Instead
Oscar.
of racing each other,
Oo.
whoever gets ahead, the other one will automatically
So the
be on
actual race, on
support
the race
team.
day, guys, let's support kung sino yung...
Kung sinasabi nga nila talagang team players sila, they have to.
McLaren, if you're listening, we've got suddenly a strategist here.
Maturity, guys, after 2
Ayan.
weeks of being sick.
Correct. Nag-internalize na lang.
Nagkaroon ng light bulb. Light
Ilan na
bulb
itong
moment.
delulo natin.
Oo. I would be happy kung si Lando ang manalo above Piastri. I'm sorry.
No, okay lang. Pero feeling ko si Max na to.
Whoever wins in this championship fight, despite all the the cloud around the McLaren papaya rules, I think we will all be happy. I mean,
Yeah.
especially this tight,
Oo.
Yun nga.
no? Lalo na kung wala nang team orders
Oo, wala na yung mga,
afterwards.
oo.
Yeah.
Wala nang gray area. I think ma-appreciate as fans, ma-appreciate natin itong last 5 races.
Mm.
Whoever comes out.
Whoever
comes out.
wins nga, maganda yung
Yes.
story.
Correct.
Exactly.
Oo. Mm.
It's like, this is now the hard-fought championship I've been wishing for.
Binanifest mo yan.
Correct. Oo. Gusto mo.
This is why I'm an F1
Pinag-away-away
fan.
mo ba kami?
Nagtalunan pa.
So yan, so
Yeah.
sprint race yun, an honorable mention. Carlos actually was third in the
Ah,
sprint
thanks,
race.
Oo,
Yes.
nakita ko nga highlight.
And then during the actual
Actual race na
race, so qualifying pala muna. So Max was on pole, and then it was Lando and then Charles, surprisingly, on third. Piastri's only 6. So he has no pace at all.
This is
During
what I'm
the-
saying.
It's-
So,
it
back
was-
on Lando na.
It was a
Parang
difficult, but it could happen that you'll have an off weekend, you know.
Kaya nga, whoever shines
Whoever shines in
on
that
that
weekend,
weekend,
doon
go.
tayo. But anyway,
Yeah.
so yun nga. So, and then George on P4, and then
Sayang yun. Di sana
Hamilton on
naalis si Charles Owen.
P5.
So,
Pero yun nga yung sinasabi, kasi ito na nga, the race.
actual race
diba?
na tayo. Game.
Lap 1. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Pabor sa akin. I'm wearing this shirt with pride, guys.
Every naman,
Correct.
But this time,
Nothing
really,
changed.
kasi among the top 15 runners during the race, si Charles lang ang nag-soft. So he
Okay.
had the
Iba yung
most
ano niya.
aggressive strategy. Ang sabi niya during the press con is he really wanted to overtake and get clean air. So, binalak niya talaga i-overtake si Lando at saka si Max.
Oo.
But
Call niya
it
yun.
was call ng Ferrari.
Mhm.
Lahat sila medium. Ang dami nga nagtataka. They even Charles said to Lando, I thought you would have been in softs too. Kasi it's an aggressive strategy if you really want to overtake. Ganyan. So, yun. I'm true enough na overtake niya si Lando.
Yep.
So, it would have been a different race if he didn't do that. Kasi we would have witnessed a Lando versus Max fight during the race. But what we witnessed is Max again in the sunset. And then a
Watching
P2.
the TV.
And then a P2 fight between Charles and Lando. Which was also very, very good.
At doon ba nanggaling yung mga memes na...
Oh, yes.
Maraming memes.
Memes na ano nga yun?
Charles is the new tire whisperer and Minister of Defense.
For
Pero
Max.
ang ganda talaga, ang ganda rin yung coverage ilalagay ko kasi maganda, Austin is a really good racetrack for overtaking kasi SS siya.
Yeah.
So, kunyari, mauuna, ikaw, if the car is the one on the inner side, mauuna ka, pero pagdating mo sa dito, mauuna yung, ang ganda, it's all switcheroo, ang saya-saya.
Iba yung happiness.
Correct. Yung excitement niya, diba?
Pero iba din yung disappointment ko nung naunahan na ni Lando si Charles. Parang,
At least there were moments na
I think
na-excite ka.
na-maximize sa
Correct.
kanya ngayong
Exactly.
Oo.
I can accept
You
it
can-
too
you-
because
exactly.
McLaren is a faster car than Ferrari. It was a
Exactly.
miracle
Yun
that
nga eh.
he hanged on
Correct.
to the second
Hindi,
place for
maximum.
so long.
At saka nandun na siya, lumalaban na siya sa top 3
Yes,
races.
yes. And Hamilton was in 4th. So Ferrari had the pace. You know, from their abysmal Friday practice na akala ko ano ba
Wala yun.
nangyayari?
Oo.
Diba?
Meron.
Yung sprint qualifying halos hindi sila makarating ng Q3.
Oo.
Biglang 3rd and 4th. Like, who would have thought? So, it's good. So, ayun.
Happy birthday din pala.
Happy
I know.
birthday kay
Charles.
Charles.
When
With
was
the
his birthday?
podium. It was that weekend. 28 na siya.
Oh, 28 na siya.
28 na siya.
Mga bata.
Yes. So, he's been in Ferrari for like 8 years now. 7
8
years.
years.
So, ganyan. So, yes. So, exciting. Akala ko nga. Tas, dalawang beses silang nag-fight, si Lando at saka si
Charles.
Kasi maganda nga yung strategy ni Charles, although na-overtake na siya ni Lando, pero meron siyang opportunity to undercut Lando kasi naka-soft tire siya. So, he will pit earlier than them.
Yeah.
So, kasi ito na naman ang pit stop ni McLaren.
Ano na naman?
Meron talaga.
Pit stop.
Hindi naman, pero yung pit, si Oscar yung naunang mag-pit.
Okay.
So, 2.3 seconds.
Daming drama sa pit stop nila. Okay.
Promise.
Okay. Oh.
Tapos nung si Lando na nag-pit, naging 3.8. So, nauna si Charles kay Lando. So, na-undercut niya. Tapos, saka pa lang naunahan ni Lando si Charles. Ano na lang, 6 laps to go na lang. Actually, 5 laps to go. Kasi lap 51 na naunahan ni Lando si Charles. Parang ako, although alam ko naman na yun na yung outcome. Kasi replay ko na siya pinapanood. Pero parang kapag naisip ko yun yung sarili ko, kapag live ko pinanood, yung parang asang-asakata, pati na lang ko
Oh, grabe. 5 laps na lang.
Oo.
Kaya nga,
Tapos, ano pa, kasi aggressive si Lando kasi he was on softs first. He started medium. Then he
soft
changed
siya,
on softs. So, paglabas na niya ang pit, nakita niya na nauna si Charles. So, aggressive siya.
Yeah.
Tapos biglang nag-degrade yung performance ng tire niya. So, nag-slow down siya. So, lumalaki na yung gap ni Charles. So, talagang asang-asa ka talaga. Tapos biglang bumalik yung pace. 6 laps to go.
Lagi ka namang asa-asa siya.
Correct.
Pero, na-imagine, buti na lang pala hindi ko siya napanood ng live. Kasi kung gumising ako ng madaling araw,
For sure.
Actually, for Grandstand Gossip, mas okay sana kung napanood mo ng live. Ang saya mo. Makapuro ka ano doon. Puro ka nila.
although sigaw pa din ako kahit na alam ko na yung outcome. Pero ako, happy pa rin naman ako para kay siya.
Podium
I
finish
think
pa rin
yun
naman.
I think that's the best that they could do on that.
And it's good for the sport, I guess. Masaya.
Actually, kung hindi sila naglaban ni Lando, wala, ang boring. Wala nang iba. Wala nang iba. Ang nagkaroon ng incident is Carlos and Kimi Antonelli.
Oh, narinig ko nga
And
yan.
Carlos sadly did DNF during the race. He DNF and he will get a 5-place grid penalty
This,
in this
Mexico.
Mexico GP. Oh, sayang si Antonelli kasi he was running on the top 10 as well. Tapos ayun, plum lost. But it happens in racing.
Exactly. Correct.
Incident.
And na-penalize naman yung...
Correct. At meron pa nakakatawa ang mga Alpino. Kilala niyo pa ba ang drivers ng Alpine?
Pierre!
Sino
Tama
kasi?
pa ba ako? Yeah,
Kasi
Pierre
sila
and
yung
Berman.
No!
The Argentinian,
Ah,
Franco Colapinto.
Colapinto.
Yes. Kasi sila yung pinakalas na team
Ah.
sa team standings. 17 at 18 sila.
Oo.
Pinag-team orders ba naman Franco hold position. 17-18 yan. Kasi nauuna si Pierre. Tapos si Franco.
Nag-race sila.
Tapos si, I think it was Bortoleto.
Oo.
19. So, nag-race sila. Ang bagal ni Pierre. Tapos, sinabihan mo naman si Franco, let's hold position because we're parang saving fuels. Kasi di ba may fuel limit dapat, ganyan. Sabi ni Franco, what? But he's too slow. So, hindi niya sinunod yung orders. Sinunahan niya si Pierre.
Hindi mo naman
Tapos,
maano talaga yung mga bata.
Yan.
saka for what? It's 17.
Akala.
May
Dapat ganyan gawin sa McLaren.
May pinaglalaban pa ba tayo dito? Makita siya.
Ilang points.
I'll finish with a fight at least.
You know what's worse? Nag-team statement the next day ang Alpine na magkakaroon daw ng repercussions si Franco dahil hindi niya sinunod yung team orders. Nakakalurky.
Okay.
Sabi siguro niya, define. It parang it would matter. Point.
Nothing to it. Nothing to lose.
Exactly, correct.
He has a valid point kasi mauunahan na siya ni Bortoleto eh.
Yeah.
So, kasi nga ang bagal ni Gasly. So,
Nandun sila positions na walang ka-point-point.
May sarili rin silang drama for nothing.
May sarili rin silang race.
But it's
Ganyan.
good that we discuss those
Yes.
places or
Yeah.
those positions.
Yes. So,
Very rare na
Correct,
pag-usapan.
oo. Titigilin na sana kita kanina.
Pero nakakatawa kasi. But anyway, so the race, the finisher, so it was Max, Lando and Charles on the podium, Lewis is P4, Oscar P5, and then George. George lose out because he's from P4 to P6.
Yeah, before siya sa qualifying.
Nagreklamo siya actually, sinabi niya, it's become professional.
Hamilton is fourth?
Hamilton is
Mm.
fourth. Kasi maganda yung start ni Hamilton.
Sino yung
May
fifth?
pace ang Ferrari.
Sino yung fifth?
Oscar.
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 Oh, so now we're into Oscar. Ano nangyari sa kanya?
Yeah, so he's still leading. He's still leading the championship.
Hindi,
And
in
the
this
drivers.
race.
Nothing happened to
Nothing.
Oscar.
Wala siyang pace.
Nothing. Very,
Fifth is unusual for, naging sixth.
yeah.
Baka ito na nga yung pinag-uusapan
It's
natin
it's
na
a very,
ano kayang gagawin niya.
it's a very,
Safe driving. Remember when we talked
he
about
wasn't
this?
driving safe because he was causing collisions. So.
Ah,
He still has his aggressive
Mm,
mind,
okay.
right?
no, yung during the race, sa position niyang yan, meron ba siyang kalaba?
No, he didn't even.
Did he look like he was trying?
No, he didn't even made an impact on Hamilton. Only on the last almost few laps kasi I think something happened to Hamilton's car.
Mm.
Tapos hanggang sa naging 1 second na lang yung gap ni Hamilton from Oscar. Pero hindi na mahabol sa Hamilton. But it was like, it's like he was like nobody during the race.
Okay.
Oo.
Oh, tama na. Masakit.
Masakit pa yan. But
I saw the movie. It was quite
No,
probably interesting yung meron akong note dito, mindset niya. Parang ano yun?
Parang ako, parang feeling ko wala namang nagbago sa mindset niya.
Mm.
Kasi he's still as aggressive as before.
It's
I was
the
just
luck.
Thinking, he just didn't have the probably the rhythm with the car, it's just an off weekend for him. He's just on the back foot.
Parang,
He's lower than
sinabi niya.
Lando.
Parang in-acknowledge
Siguro,
niya rin naman.
tsaka yung from sprint na wala na from
Wala.
Yes,
qualifying.
yun, nawalan siya
This is
ng,
the-
kasi di ba pag sprint weekend, isa lang yung free practice
Mm,
nila.
mm.
Tapos wala pa yung sprint race. Kasi lap 1 pa lang wala.
Correct.
He has, kumbaga, kasi si Oscar, he's the type of a driver that builds up during the weekend. So,
There you go.
probably, he didn't get to do that
Oo.
build up to the race.
Na-crash na right
So,
from the
yung
start.
pa-analysis mo.
Oo, yun nga. Maganda yan. Na-crash na right from the start. So,
So, I don't think,
overall and off.
I don't
He needs to
kaya
snap out
nung
of it.
nagtatanong, kasi it's been like bad form for a few
exactly.
races.
Yeah.
Correct.
right?
Yeah.
Simula nung Baku
Oo,
na nag-crash
oo,
din
yeah,
siya.
yeah.
So, that's a good point. He really needs to snap out of it if he wants to still win this championship. It's Lando's just 14 points.
Kasi he's
Max
almost
is
there.
coming. Yes.
Why would you want to lose it? Diba?
Exactly.
But anyhow.
It would be heartbreaking, but it's his
Gonna
just
be-
third year. It's his third year.
Sabagay,
We
correct.
always
So,
forget
yeah.
that this is
Actually
his
true.
year 3 in Formula 1 and it's his first time to contend for a championship and he's leading it.
Yep, correct.
Pero sabi niya nga,
Feeling
sabi
ko,
ni-
if he loses, it's gonna be depressing.
I don't think he
Para
will.
sa kanya.
I feel like he will probably wallow for a while, but for me, I don't think he should. I think he still should hold his head up high.
Oo naman.
Because it's year 3, and the first, he was very convincing during the first. Ito lang naman yung last
Correct,
race
oo.
na ano, diba? Na
Well,
parang he has kumbaga may database na siya
Correct.
of,
Kaya niya
muscle memory and na I can do this another year.
Mm-hmm.
Di ba? Parang ganon.
only time will tell.
Exactly.
Correct.
We'll see how
Tsaka
this
yun
will
nga,
unfold.
kailangan ko i-remind actually sa sarili ko na 3 years pa lang siya.
3 years
Technically,
pa lang
like,
siya.
kind of rookie,
Yes.
but not rookie, pero
Yes.
kasi si Max ilang
the,
years na siya.
the amount
Sina-
si Max nag-start siya 17 years old.
Exactly, correct. So,
And Lando was there in McLaren too, years before Oscar. So,
Let's see.
yung comparison pa lang how Oscar was last year in year 2 to this
Then,
year.
it's a big jump.
It's a big
Correct.
learning growth
ano
diba?
ba siya? Most improved player.
Yeah, exactly. So
Hindi mo nga siya makakount last year, das ngayon pa.
Correct,
no,
exactly.
no, you wouldn't have thought na siya yung
Actually, walang siguro
ang
talaga.
tagal niya ng championship leader, in fairness. Because he's still holding on to this.
Exactly, correct. Yeah.
So, I think he, even if he
Akala nga
loses
na
this,
natin, he already got it. Like it's on a bag, basically.
Ay,
It's in the
nakahawak.
bag. Oo.
there's one hand on the
It's in the bag.
trophy.
Oo.
Pero,
Hanggang lang lumabas si Max.
Exactly.
So,
yun. So,
Yun lang.
it's so exciting.
exciting
Sobrang
talaga.
Oh,
Correct.
parang worth it yung mga races na walang masyadong nangyayari. Just
Sa mga wala
this,
masyadong nangyayari, si Max ay nangyayari.
Correct.
Kasi if you look at the whole season, it's a really, really exciting
Meh.
season na yung
Mhm.
ganun. We're
Saya ng
we're
Drive to
down to the
Survive.
wire. Oh, madidisappoint tayo sa Drive to Survive, I think.
Asa bagay, kasi may background na
Diba?
tayo.
Yeah. They can't contain all this in like 10 episodes, right?
Yeah.
24
Malay mo,
races.
this time gawin nilang mas mahaba kasi sa
Ah.
daming ganap.
So, yes.
Paano nga nila nasisiksik yung 24 races sa 10 episodes, no?
Mhm.
No, anyhow.
Anyhow. So, yun. So, exciting.
So, sandali,
Team
pag-usapan muna
standings
natin
first.
yung ano.
Team
ating
standing.
standing.
So, exciting din. Kasi,
Pag natin yun, panalo naman na McLaren.
second.
Okay. Gusto lang yun.
Pera-pera
nasa
to.
Ferrari.
Pera-pera to. Pera-pera.
Budget nila to eh.
Pera-pera to. Ito
For
yung mga
next year.
million-million.
Oo.
So, Mercedes is in second.
Yep.
Oh.
341 points.
Mhm.
Ferrari is in third. 334 points.
Okay.
So, ilan lang yon? 7 points. Right? Tama ba?
Oh.
And this, Red Bull, 331.
Ay, talagang ano
3
din.
points lang.
Buhat na buhat! Oh my God!
Points naman si Sonoda this
Still.
race.
Still.
Ever since
Buhat
yun
na
naman
buhat
ang point
din.
ni Max, siya
Diba?
talaga yung nagbubit.
Ay, sanay naman na si Max.
Correct.
Gagawa.
Leave it to me, guys.
Ako na.
It's always been like this anyway.
Yeah,
correct.
For years.
So, yun. So,
Exciting din ang
exciting ang
teams.
team standing.
Okay yun. Kasi sabi ko, panalo na ng McLaren, meron pa palang 2, number 2.
Yes,
As nyo, anong bets nyo for
Um,
number 2?
if you're
It's
betting
too
on
close. Parang
if you're
wala
betting
akong
nga eh.
call.
if you're betting on Max for the drivers championship, then Red Bull,
Red Bull.
is
Second.
yes. But I still want Ferrari to at least get
Sa
P2.
bagay, ba't pa pala kita tinanong? Ikaw, with Mercedes ka pa din.
I still believe on the Charles Leclerc Hamilton na kaya naman nila against one
Dalawa
person.
naman kasi nga.
Oo.
Hindi naman yung mga dilemma doon. Dalawa naman yung gumagawa sa iba.
Oo.
Although George is also, there for Mercedes. And
Exactly.
Kimi
Yung
sometimes
Kimi, yun nga,
have,
dalawa nga
you know,
gumagawa.
O, so ano nga ang bets nyo?
Oh.
ang hirap.
Come on.
Wala
Ferrari
akong
pa
bet
din ako.
for
Ferrari
this.
pa din ako.
Ikaw ano?
Sirain ko si Max. Sige, si Max.
Red Bull, JM, Ferrari.
Ikaw, magme-mark ka.
Hindi.
Hindi si Ben.
Hindi, okay na. JM,
Hindi, i-jinx ko
JM.
nga yung Red Bull eh.
Huwag ganon!
Kasi parang jinx ko si Oscar.
Simula ika-counter jinx ko. Red Bull din ako.
Let's see.
Red Bull kaming dalawa. Ewan ko kasi yung what do you call this? As Team Mercedes. Hindi na, ewan ko si George. Parang,
Si George kasi if he can win it, he
Consistent
he has
naman
2
talaga
wins
kasi
now.
siya.
He
okay.
has 2 wins this season. So parang kung if he can win it, he will win it. Parang ganon.
At saka hindi siya yung sobrang nagpa-flop. It's just,
Oh, yun nga.
Yun
Medyo
nga.
nasa top 5 pa rin siya. Alam mo
Oo.
yun that range. Pero,
doon lang siya.
yun nga, yung yung consistency niya siguro na mag-podium is. At saka si Kimi, isa pa
Si
yun.
Kimi kasi ang hindi consistent. Well, he's a rookie.
First year
Correct.
naman
So,
yun.
Oo. Pero, yung points ni George at ni Kimi to eh. Kaya sila nasa
Well,
second.
exactly. It's a team effort yung dalawang yun. Pero yun nga, mid-range basically. So, yun.
There
Kaya,
you go.
Mexico
wag lang
City.
mag-DNF tong si
Si Kimi.
Sunod.
Si Sunod.
Magdagdag ka naman ng konti.
2
Ay,
points
pala.
lang, okay na.
Kaya ako nakita. Wag lang.
Kasi ma-maximize naman ni Max.
Correct. Wag lang
Pero
yung total
ano,
doon.
ano pala, nakalimutan ko, ngayon natin siya i-acknowledge. I would acknowledge si Lauren Mendes.
Yung team principal nila.
Yes, na yung pinalitan niya since pinalitan niya si Christian Horner. Para nagkaroon ng
Anong race nga na wala si Paul?
trajectory after Silverstone.
Okay.
After Silverstone na wala.
Oh, that's true.
Mm. Nagkaroon siya ng upward trajectory. Kasi ang dinicide pala niya is to still work on this year's car. Kahit na yung ibang mga teams, they've stopped working on this year's car for 2026. Sabi niya, parang whatever we learn, kasi ang pinaprioritize, kasi ang problema ng Red Bull during the time ni kay Christian Horner is yung data nila na nakukuha nila sa simulations,
Yeah.
wind panel, it doesn't correlate with the data that they're getting on track, yung feedback. So parang saan may disconnect. So yun yung gusto niyang i-focus nila. Kung kaya that's why they're still working on this year's car.
That's cool.
They need to make sure that that correlation is right. Because that would also help with their development in 2026. Parang yun yung sinasabi niya. So, but Max has really good words for Laurent as well. Like, it's just easy for him to understand. Parang sabi niya, kasi he's an engineer. So, everything technical
Okay.
gets niya. Parang gano'n. So, yun na nga daw yung nagiging trend ngayon ng team principals. Parang with those engineering
I
background.
think dapat naman.
Like James Vowles, like Andrea Stella, sa McLaren. So, parang nagkakaroon ng segregation of duties. So, iba yung nag-marketing, ganyan. Tapos iba yung may tutok
But si Horner pa ganyan lahat? Hawak niya
Hawak niya lahat. That's why he's had parang politics with yung kasi yung HQ nila nasa UK, di ba? Pero meron din sila sa Austria. So yun yung ka-politics niya. Kasi ayaw niya nga magbitaw. Hawak niya lahat.
Okay.
So yun. So yes, so that's Austin
That's
GP
Austin.
recap, and now tonight sa Mexico. Pero tomorrow morning dito, Melbourne time is Mexico qualifying.
Yes!
It's a double header. And then the race.
Magbe-bet na ba tayo?
So last year,
Sandali, recall muna natin yung bets natin for Austin. Kasi ay,
Talagang namumulekta talaga siya na
Oo.
tally of points.
Meron akong tally of points dito. So,
competition.
Correct. Mabilis lang to. So,
Okay, go.
diba 1, 2, first, second, and third.
Okay.
Ang counting ng points is if you got the driver and the position correct.
Correct.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
So,
yes.
JJ, you've got Oscar, Max, Lando.
So 0 points.
0 points.
Oh,
Diba?
Wala
Okay.
kayo. Oo. Kasi JM, you've got Max, Charles, Oscar, you've got Max, 1.
1 point.
Bena, woohoo! Lando, George. So,
So you
I got
get 2
Max
points.
and Lando. 2 points.
Okay.
Okay.
Ano pala, gagawa ko ng ano, ang
You
tawag doon?
do the full tally.
Full tally since we
Yes.
started this
This
betting
bet. Okay.
betting thing. So, there you go.
Okay, so bet.
For Mexico,
Okay, last
bigyan
year's
mo na kami
winner.
ng stats.
Last year's race results, it was Carlos, and then Lando and Charles in the podium, followed by Luis, George, and Max. Max was 6 because they had an incident with Lando in Mexico where they were fighting each other, and
Mm.
then he drove Lando off.
Yeah.
And he got a penalty.
Ibahin ko naman. Max, Oscar, Lando.
Max, Oscar, Lando. Second pa rin si Oscar. Lando, Max, Charles.
Wow. Max.
Okay. Lando yan.
Sino nga yung last year? Carl.
It was Carlos, Lando, Charles.
Pero si Carlos Ferrari pa siya na.
Oo, yes.
Doesn't count.
Doesn't count.
Pili ko last year.
Baliktarin ko lang yun sa'yo, Max Lando. Hindi, may nagsabi sa may napanood ako sa isa sa mga weekend, mga reviews. Hamilton.
Oh, it could be the weekend that Hamilton might get his
Yun,
first
yan
podium
yung
in
sinabi
Ferrari.
nila.
Really?
He needs to get at least a podium.
This year.
For his mental health.
So, yun. So, that's our bet, guys. So, JJ, Max, Oscar, Lando. JM, Lando, Max, Charles. Myself, Max, Lando, Hamilton. So, we'll see.
Thank you, guys.
See you next episode.
Rumor has it I'm the one you're leaving her for.